I want to kiss.
To know if it's a good kiss or something?
Something like that. I just want to.
Like on your cheek?
On the cheek?
Don't play with me. Give me a kiss.
Come in.
But the game was 5 minutes.
The reason why I kissed her because I was gonna choose her anyway.
But okay. But I'm transgender.
Oh hell no! Let's see you. Just come here, please.
Sorry, yo.
Hi, Miss, what's your name? You have your mic.
Oh, Lorenzo.
On Instagram.
Lorenzo B3.
How old are you?
26.
What do you do?
I am a business owner. I own my own trucking business. I'm an actor.
Okay, so what type of woman are you looking for?
We have to appreciate black excellence. He's an actor and he's a business owner at the age of 26. Now that deserves a round of applause. For the people in the back, stand up. Let's give this man a round of applause. Black excellence.
So what would you bring to the table?
Leadership, ambition, love, security, companionship.
I say genuineness. Okay. So some ladies have popped in balloons. Let's just find out real quick why they popped it, and then we'll go to the ones that haven't popped. You good?
I'm good.
Okay, so please, no, let's stay this way. All right, real quick, why did you pop a balloon?
I just like dark skinned guys more than light skinned guys.
You like dark skin than light skin?
Dark.
Okay.
That's why.
So if she had a balloon, would you choose her? Why?
She's not my type.
Be more than not like audience.
She's not my type.
What's making her not your type?
Her body.
What happened to her body?
I like slimming.
Okay, she's on the thicker side. Okay. So you can't
With
lift.
all respect.
Without respect.
With all respect.
Okay. So you can't lift her as your woman?
I kind of what?
You can't lift her up?
Oh, I can lift her. For sure. I can lift her up.
Okay. You're gonna lift somebody. I want to see how you lift the
Man,
person.
what's happening? I'll lift her right now.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, they wanna lift you
Can I
up?
lift you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
He was struggling.
Okay, you can lift her. You think it's sweetie? Oh. Where are you from?
Atlanta.
Okay. What about you? Where you popped it?
I popped it first, just so you would look over here first, and you did that. So, yeah.
Okay, I see what you did. So, do you want to get a balloon back?
Actually, yeah.
Jesus Christ! Remind me where you from again?
I'm
Confused.
from Atlanta, but I'm Liberian.
Okay. Wahala did this Atlanta. So who is now Nigerian? I'm doing Nigerian. Oh, okay. Oh, you're Nigerian. That's good. Okay.
I'm supposed to give it to her?
No, yes. Stand this way. Okay. Ladies, let's go, sir. Let's go. Follow me. Hello. Let's ask her real quick. Why did you pop the balloon?
You are 26 and I'm 28 and I like my man older, so that's why.
Okay.
Nothing, just the hair. I like what is it called? Short hair.
So each had a balloon. Would you go home and have?
Possibly.
Why? You go home and have? Like, what do you like about her?
She's beautiful.
Oh. So what number will you give her? What rating?
Oh, Lord.
1 to 10.
7.
7.
7, not bad.
So if she had a balloon, on, would you give her? Would you go home with her?
Oh, her right here?
Do you want to do it 360 first? I see you.
She seems nice. I like that. Maybe.
You're not in the bedroom. This kind of sexy voice.
Maybe.
You're giving Chris Brown, no. With the kind of sexy voice. Make girls know they go they wet for this place. Get yourself. Yeah, she's giving. That's bedroom voice.
That's how I talk.
That's how you talk? Jesus. Girls go, they follow. Oh, yeah, come back, Saturday, come back. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ladies who haven't passed the pop the balloons. Can I have your pin real quick? Good, thank you. So here you go, sir. Please come. So we're gonna get to know them. If there's any question you want to ask you, please feel free to ask a question. If they want to ask you a question, I'm gonna give them the mic to also ask the questions to you. That question you would ask a girl you want to go on a date with. You know, if you want to be naughty and she wants you to also, you know, she gives you permission to be naughty, free. She wants to grab her ass back, she wants to kiss her kids, anything you want to do. So far, there's consent from you too. Are we good? So let's go straight to her. Can you tell him your name real quick?
Lala.
Oh, I gotta stay here the whole time?
Because if you stay, you're gonna block her. Do you understand from the camera?
I got you.
Lala, how old are you?
26.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an artist/entrepreneur.
Do you want her to sing for you to know she's
I'm
good?
a singer. That what type of artist you are, okay?
I'm a singer and a rapper. I'm multifaceted. I also sing in the church choir.
Let me hear something.
Well done.
Oh God. I don't know. Give me something to sing.
Whitney Houston.
You don't drop my. Oh yeah.
No, that was Girl, thank you. Actually, I'm gonna do something you probably don't know.
How you gonna ask?
As I lay me down, heaven hear me now. I'm lost without a cause. After giving it my all, winter storms have come and darkened my soul.
You don't have to end song. You just you go up. You don't go finish.
I look to you. I look to you.
Finish it.
Let me hear you rap.
Cardi B.
Say you wanna slide with me. When I pull up, it's a vibe with me. When the streets get hot, you can hide with me. When the streets get cold, you can vibe with me. Bonnie and Clyde, it's a movie. You know what's up, it's a trick on me.
Okay.
You shy. Wait. Yeah, but I love it. So yourself, girl. So, sir, is there a question you want to ask her? You want to pop that shit? Or you come back to her?
No, I have a question. You have any kids?
No kids.
What do you enjoy doing on your free time?
Traveling, making music.
That's it?
Chilling. I like to go on walks. I like to do different things. So like, I don't like being outside for real. I actually like when I go outside, I like to like go see stuff, like go to waterfalls, go to different venues, museums. Like, and if I do go outside, it's not just because I'm African, or like I want to go to a compa or a Haitian event, or I want to go dance salsa or something like that. So yeah.
Okay.
We come back to her, or we want to pop it?
I'll come back.
All right. So stand here. Thank you. Introduction, please.
Hi, I'm
Sorry. You don't see you don't lose voice.
Hi, I'm Tati, Chocolatey Tati on Instagram.
Age.
I'm 23.
What do you do?
I sell cars.
Tell it.
At 23, you sell cars. That's amazing. Give it up to Black Excellence. Black Excellence. I've never heard of a 23-year-old woman that sells cars. Usually they're in college or something. Give it up to Black Excellence. Anyway, on with the video.
I went to Lakeside.
Okay, I went across the creek.
Oh, okay.
More audible.
Friends around there. Okay.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
You want act audibility now? Increase your voice. You think?
That's what's up.
Okay, so tell us, why are you leaving this balloon? What do you see in him?
Well, one, he's very handsome and I love locks. It's probably my favorite hairstyle in a man. But it would really got me was like his answers, and I just feel like he's such a ladies guy, and I just feel like he's very respectful, and I love the way he treats women. That's a really big turn on for me. And he seems like a really genuine person, like someone, like even if we weren't together, I feel like I would be friends with him. He just seems like a cool person. So.
Thank you. So she has a balloon, do you want to pop it or you want to ask her a question?
I want to ask her a question.
Okay.
No kids, right?
Not yet.
You know what? Excuse me. What's your favorite movie?
I don't have a favorite anything.
Top.
I like psychological thrillers, I can say that. So like, I don't know if you've ever seen, like I like old psychological thrillers. So my favorite author is Stephen King. So any movie by Stephen King. I like the movie Misery, if you ever seen that.
Yeah, I've seen Misery.
I love that movie Misery.
She tore his feet up when he went.
Yes,
Yeah.
I love yeah, just stuff like that.
Okay. Okay.
What about you?
What's my favorite movie?
Or favorite genre?
I like The Temptations.
Oh, yeah, that's a good movie.
I have a playful self by myself, so I love the Lion King. Yeah,
Mufasa.
Okay. I'm keeping her.
Okay, come back to me.
I'm keeping her.
Hey, my name is Neek.
Hey, Nate.
Your age?
I'm 26.
What you do?
I'm an anesthesia tech. I work at a hospital.
Why are you keeping the balloon for him?
I like his vibe, and then the way he talk, and it's just the eye contact for me. Like he act like he's looking deep in the soul, and I like that. So yeah, I'm keeping him.
You're keeping him quiet. So other girls that you'll be keeping him. What happens to other girls?
Nothing happens to them.
Let's hear from him. Okay, let's hear from you. Do you have a question for her?
Sure. What's your favorite food to eat?
I don't have a favorite food, but I like soul food.
Soul food?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you cook?
I can.
Moving on. I'm keeping her.
Oh, I like this. You keeping. Come. What about you?
Hey, I'm Shay. I'm 22 and I model.
You're a model? Like one way?
Like I do music videos, commercial shoots, and like background with movies.
So come on, let me sing my song now. Then you dance. Go back a little bit. So just stay here. Go. You're a victim, right? Show me what you got. Give me your balloon. No, we're not live. This is not a music video. Show you have to entertain others. They need, in case you have a job. I'll sing a song. You go around him, show them how you could do your thing, and anybody that has a job should reach out to her. I mean, you're here for publicity. You need to do it. It's a show. So I'm gonna sing it like I'm fucking Robert Taffy. I don't know why the she got me. Then you just take the ass. That's it. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Fucking Robert Taffy. I don't know why the she got me lazy right now. Wait, tell me. You see that's it. So that's how you go to your clients. Fucking Robin.
You know? No.
Okay, you don't want to do it for him, or you want to just do it on your own?
Yeah, that's like it's private.
Private, quoi?
Yeah.
Please give me a show now. What do you mean it's private? You don't be jumpsuit be this. Show the camera. Why are you showing me? Am I the person?
Not
That thing just moved though.
it jiggle. It don't move.
So you can't do this? Yeah, let me see. Ha! Oh! Daddy, did you see it?
That don't intrigue me.
See the person I'm trying to help you. See, no. My hair. Let me hear you. Why are you keeping the balloon?
You were just attractive, and your energy was nice.
You're using soft voice. Increase your voice now. That voice you used for that man, the first man. Oh, that one. Okay, so tell me. You said because he's what?
Attractive. He came up. Your energy was good. The way you spoke to the woman, and I like that.
Appreciate it.
So do you have a question for her? Okay, tell me what's up.
Cause she was shaking her booty. I love classy women.
You love class. She's a video vixen.
Okay.
Okay. Well.
He made a good decision. Yeah, classy women only. You don't want no woman that's for the streets. She's a video vixen. She's for the streets. So, that's a no.
So she, if you go to the club and she shakes her ass, you dump her there.
I don't want my girl at the club.
Where will you be with your girl?
If I'm with my girl, yeah, thank you.
Sleeping?
Watching movies, whatever we decide to do, playing games.
Okay. Okay. That was my fault because I told her to do it.
She's all, but she.
Regardless,
See?
so
Okay, true.
we wouldn't have been a good match.
Okay. Now, if I want her to jiggle her ass, what will not happen? You want that shit? Okay. Let's hear from you, darling.
I kept my balloon because I saw you outside and you look and sound and your answers were just as good as you look. But I have one more question for you though. Before I decide if I actually pop my balloon, could you give me a kiss?
No.
What did you say?
Shit.
You want what?
I want a kiss.
To know if it's a good kiss or something?
Something like that. I just want to see if it's easy.
You are not licking your lips? Let me see if you go shamelessly. Should you say someone shaking ass? Well, let's see now.
Like on your cheek.
On the cheek.
Forehead.
Don't play with me. Give me a kiss.
Come in.
Yes, I did that because all y'all balloons, and that's who I wanted to take home, and it worked.
But he's easy.
Very easy. I don't give a fuck. I like him. I like him. But the game was 5 minutes.
The reason why I kissed her because I was gonna choose her anyway.
But okay. But I'm transgender.
Oh hell
You what?
God have mercy
upon us. Like you was born a dude?
Yeah.
You just kissed a man.
No, hold on. Okay. I swear to God, bro. Everybody.
Hold on. Now, ladies, everyone in the back, everyone in the audience, that wasn't funny. That was not funny. Ladies, you don't joke around like that. Certain jokes you don't run. A lot of these transformers are being unalived on the account of tricking men that they're real women. So for you ladies out there who think you want to run practical jokes like this, be careful, because men who are actually looking for real women, when you run jokes like you're a transformer, yeah, they'll unalive you. So for the people in the audience and the ones in the back, listen, lend me your ears. Don't run jokes like that. Running jokes like that will get you capped. So be careful.
I'm kidding. I just want to see your reaction.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
I want to go home. I'm ready to go home.
Bro, on God.
I'm ready to go home with you. Come on, let's go.
Alright, come on.
Wait, okay, no, you should face the camera. Come this way, come. Wait, people would just scattered my head. There was a kid.
And she got a badly built BBL. No. I would have never chose. And bro, after she ran a joke like that, you gonna choose her? Because if she's gonna run jokes like that, what other jokes is she willing to run? Nah, I wouldn't choose her. No. She would stay right where she is. I would not choose her. But because you're a desperate simp, you're gonna choose her. And men like you, I don't feel sorry for. Don't feel sorry for men like you. Right? First, you kissed her. Cool. Then she said she's a transformer. That got you real upset. Like you saw red. You was ready to unalive someone. And he said, "Oh, I'm kidding. No. I would have said to her, you don't run jokes like that. No. You do not run jokes like that. With that badly built BBL, no, you don't ever run jokes like that. It's not funny. Things like that is never funny. Yeah? things like that will get you red rummed. Because some men out here are not playing. Yeah? Men out here are looking for real women. Right? Straight men don't want nothing to do with any artificial woman. He wants a real woman. So if you're gonna play jokes like that, don't be upset at what comes back at you. Alright.
You sure you're not a man?
I swear I'm not. I just wanted to see what his reaction was going to be.
I'm about to go to jail. On everything.
That's right.
What do you mean? What do you mean you're about to go to jail?
So I ain't gonna.
You're sweet. That's why. Doom doom. As per man to man. That'd have been crazy, man. Okay, so is there something sweet you want to tell her?
What would you like me to take? Actually, I'm gonna surprise you on our first date.
Jesus Christ.
Wait, now let's go. Wait, we have something we always say. Please give this balloon to whoever you're wishing world to find love. Oh,
She's so sweet.
She's so sweet. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so is it a yes or it's not a yes?
It's a yes.
Clap, 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 clap. So,
We ready.
you ready? Wait, now. That's what they do for Alana. What about you? So is it a yes or it's not a yes?
So yeah.
We have a match. Give me my mic. Woo! Wait. I have to. You have to lift her up, carry her like this, and go outside now. Yeah, carry her like this. She's a baby, girl.
Like a what? Like this?
I don't know. Yeah.
Stop playing with me.
Stop playing. Let's see if you can lift it. Oh, that's your man. Bye.
Whatever happens to him after that, I don't feel sorry for him, because first she's gonna tell you that she's a transformer, and you're gonna ride off into the sunset with her. Dude, are you kidding? Are you kidding? If that was me, nah, there ain't no riding off in the sunset. I'm gone home. I'm going home after that. You don't play with me like that. Anyway, this has been Sir Boss TV. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below. Until then, I'm out.